Guys, we're doing keto fried rice on my Blackstone with some smoked pork and some bacon in it coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, as you can see, we're outside. Today we are working on the Blackstone. I told you a while back we're trying to do a little keto diet. I would consider it more a little dirty keto because, well, sometimes you gotta get a little dirty with your diet. So, I'm doing the best I can. A couple weeks in, down about 16 pounds, 15 pounds, something like that. We're working hard at it. I am going to make some keto fried rice. Now, obviously with rice, too many carbohydrates, we're not using it. We're using cauliflower crumbles. This is a new recipe for me. I have never tried the cauliflower crumbles before. We're gonna give it a go. I'm sure they'll be delicious because I have some leftover smoked pork tenderloin and I have some bacon. We got some onions, got all the accoutrement. We are going to overpower the flavors of this cauliflower fried rice, and you know, we'll be all right. You know how I do. We're gonna add too much flavor in there. It's gonna be awesome, and you wanna try this recipe. You guys, you can use any protein you want in there, shrimp, beef, chicken, whatever. I just happen to have the smoked pork left over. We're gonna put that in there, so we got that cubed up. Guys, we already have the mise en place ready to go. We got some red bell peppers instead of carrots because I usually put carrots in my fried rice. Got some onions, garlic, bacon, smoked pork, our sangs, our soy sauce. We're good to go. Small amount of carbs in this thing per serving. I couldn't imagine it's more than one or two. So get on this Blackstone with me and we'll get started. Come on back. All right, guys, let's get started on this. We already got some bacon already cooked off in there because you always got to make a little extra bacon when you're cooking bacon. You got to have like half for the chef while they're cooking and then half in the meal. Okay, so you always make extra bacon. All right, so we're gonna get this is nice and oiled up. We're gonna do the chopped up bacon on one side. Get it going. All right, then we're gonna add onions and red peppers. Get those cooked through, sauteed through. So we already got the bacon fat going. So that's gonna help cook and saute the peppers and the onions. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of minced garlic to the red peppers and the onions over here. We did this halfway through the cooking process of the onions and peppers just so the garlic doesn't burn. Because no one wants bitter burned garlic. So we're gonna mix all these up, get those incorporating together, getting them all know each other. Sorry, the sun's right behind my back. I'm trying to cast a shadow over the Blackstone so you can see what's going on. All right, bacon is done. Let's add our pork to the mix. Again, you can use whatever protein you like. We're gonna go ahead and mix everything all together. Whoops, dropped a piece of bacon. Woo. The pork is obviously cooked, so we just need to warm it through. So we're gonna put this all on the side over here. It's all mixed up well. All them flavors are getting to know each other in there. Smoked pork, smoked bacon. We are going to make sure this cauliflower rice is it is what it is. All right, guys, so I prepared it according to the directions on the bag. So it's already been cooked, steamed through a bit. Now we're gonna crisp it up on this Blackstone. Oh, fumble. And I gotta tell you, steamed cauliflower stinks. Just throwing it out there. I know I'm making this very appealing for budding keto fans, but I guarantee you with the flavors we're mixing in this, the good thing about cauliflower is it takes on the flavor of what you're cooking, and it adds minimal of its own flavor there. So add some soy sauce. All right. So I'd say that's about quarter cup. Then I'm gonna add some of the Sang stir fry oil. I know we got plenty of grease in there, but I love the flavor of the Sangs. And we mix. So this cauliflower crumble, this cauliflower rice has all the good flavors of the bacon in there, soy sauce, and we're gonna let this cook down pretty good. Gonna let the soy sauce caramelize a bit, and then we'll integrate the vegetables in the meat. All right, come on back. We've let this cook about as much as we can without letting it turn to mush. So we're gonna mix in the veggies and the meat, get all those flavors together. Let this cook through a little bit more. Let everybody get to know each other. Let the cauliflower absorb some of that pepper onion flavor in there too. We'll plate this dish and have the taste test. Guys, we're done. This looks amazing. I'm willing to bet it tastes amazing, even with the cauliflower. Guys, you know me, you know my channel, you know I'm not a vegetable fan. So we're gonna give this a shot. All right. All right, cheers, guys. Okay. It's good. It's good. First impression. Rice is better than cauliflower. I think everybody knows that. But, and I think I would do something a little differently. I don't know if I would have steamed the cauliflower, or at least did the whole time like the package said. I think if we put this on the Blackstone with a little more bite to it, I think it would have came out a little differently. But still, this is good, okay? I'll put my instructions down below. I'll put the ingredients down below too. I'm gonna enjoy this. You know, there's enough bacon and onion and pork in there to make you kind of forget about the cauliflower and the healthiness of it. But I'm enjoying it. All right, it's very tasty. All right, guys, give this one a shot. Put in the comments below. Let me know what you think. That's it for this one. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.